Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to get free gems in Clash of Clans. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. So first, my account currently had 4,800 gems. So Clash of Clans store, they give out 100 gems every month. So in order to get the gems, you need to log into your account on COC store. And to do that, go to Safari and then type COC store. Click on the first link. So once you are at the home page, you need to log into the account with your ID. And so once you enter the email address, they will send you the code to your account. Once you got the code, you just have to type it in. And once you got into the home page, you need to click on the arrow at the bottom that's showing there is 100 gems available to claim and there is one resource potion available to claim. You just have to claim both of these. And when you log in back to your account, you will be able to see your offer has been received. And that is how you can get 100 gems every month to your account. If you find this useful, then please leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.